Hello everyone, what you're looking at is the Echo Show 5, and as you can see right now the price is quite high, but it shows right here if you join the Prime and buy it on Prime Day, which is July 12th and 13th, it will be $34.99, which is amazing. At the same time, I believe you can also buy it with the Blink Mini for another $9 some. As you can see here, you can control. You can use Alexa for music, news, and so on. It does have a webcam or a camera that you can talk into. And as you can see right here with the mini blink, it come out to be what, like $44. So, you know, if you're looking for the Echo Show, this is a perfect time to get it. To remember, the Prime Day is July 12th and 13th. So make sure you set on the calendar those 2 days. I'll leave the link on the descriptions where you can sign up for one whole week for $1.99. And if you want to continue afterward, it'll be $14.99. If you guys have any questions, leave in the comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys soon.